In this section, we are going to cover finance, which includes the reimbursement schedule, the tax form W-9, bank account and routing info, and also a demonstration viewing sales history in Farmers Register and Farm Market Direct. The reimbursement schedule is a little different for Produce Plus and Senior FMMP compared to WIC FMMP. This is because there are two different systems: Farmers Register for Produce Plus and Senior FMMP, and Farm Market Direct for WIC FMMP. For the Farmers Register system, your reimbursement schedule occurs on a monthly basis, based on the date the sales are captured in the register. You can anticipate you'll receive reimbursement in the first 2 weeks of the month for the previous month's sales. For example, for the month of June, the first month of the program, you can expect to receive your first reimbursement within the first 2 weeks of July. You can be reimbursed through automatic ACH or mail check. I do want to caution the mail check is much slower, so you may not receive reimbursement until the last 2 weeks of the month if you choose that method. For example, if you decide to have a check mailed to you, you may receive your first reimbursement in the last 2 weeks of July due to this slower process. For the Farm Market Direct, it is a weekly reimbursement, and this is based on the day of the week the sales are captured in the portal. You can anticipate being reimbursed 3 to 5 days for the previous week's sales. Sales are pulled from Wednesday to Tuesday evening, processed, and then within 3 to 5 business days of Tuesday evening, you can expect to be reimbursed for your WIC FMMP. For WIC FMMP, the reimbursement can only occur through ACH. All new farmers will be sent out a W-9 to complete in order to receive payments. In order to receive reimbursement, you must submit a W-9. The W-9 will be sent out and completed digitally. For returning farmers, if you have updated business information, such as a new name or address, then we will need a new W-9 and can send that out per your request. So please let us know of any updates needed. If all your info remains the same from previous seasons, there is no need to submit a new one. For reimbursements, we do also need to collect bank account and routing information. All new farmers need to submit this information. The preference is to collect this information from you through the Fresh Farm ACH form, which would be set out and completed electronically as well. We can accommodate alternative methods such as submitting a voided check through a secure box link, receiving your bank account information through email or text, or also you could submit your bank and routing information directly on the Farm Market Direct portal. For returning farmers, if your bank info has not changed, you do not need to submit this information again. However, if you were previously set up for check reimbursement for Produce Plus and Senior FMMP and would like ACH, or if your business details have changed, you will need to resubmit. So please, if you need to update your details, request a form be sent out to you, and then you can complete it. Now we are going to show you how to pull your sales history through the Farmers Register and Farm Market Direct. In Farmers Register, we will walk you through accessing the Farmers Register portal, not the app we viewed earlier. From there, we'll show you how to log in and navigate to transaction history. We will show you how to use filters for viewing specifics like dates and locations, and how to review sales with the option to export reports. In the portal, you will be able to see sales for both Produce Plus and Senior FMMP. For Farm Market Direct, which is used to process the WIC FMMP, we will walk you through opening the Farm Market Direct portal, logging in and navigating to transaction and settlement history. We will also show you how to utilize filters and how to review sales with the option to export those sales reports.